So to get into ListTrac, you will go to mycbdesk.com. You'll sign in there. And then you're going to go to find an app right here. Click on that and then just type in ListTrac and click on that tile. And once you're in, your dashboard might look a little bit different just because I have access to all the company listings. But you'll go over here to the left side and click on listings, and it will pull up a list. Sorry, my computer is super slow today, but it'll pull up a list of all your listings. You'll just click on view analytics for the one that you want to take a look at. You can also go ahead and schedule, if you want to schedule like a weekly delivery of a seller report, you can do that. Or if you just want to initiate that report one time and send it either to yourself or your seller, you can do that as well. But if we go to view analytics, I'm going to show you a quick trick that you might want to use. So if we click on report options right here, you have a couple different things that you can do. If you want to change out any of your contact information, you can do that. But over on this tab where it says include, exclude websites, so when you look at the report that you got, you'll see any website that the listing has shown up on and that people have viewed. So sometimes competitor websites will be on there and you might not want that shared with your seller for many different reasons. So for instance, this particular listing, there is a Megan Vinarkle team website that's showing up. So I don't want that to show up on the report. So I'm going to shift that over to the excluded websites, and then I'm going to hit save. And that will make sure that that just does not show up on the report. If you're just using this to track, activity and you're not actually going to send the seller report anywhere, then you don't really need to worry about that. But if you are going to set them up on those automated reports, it's something that you might want to keep in mind.